Hello guys, it's really nice to see you here. Welcome to AI Workflows with LangGraph. It's a series that is inspired by Anthropic blog post called Building Effective Agents. And the goal for this series is to build real-life automations using the patterns that are proposed by Anthropic. But first, let's answer the question, what is AI Workflow? It's basically a way to build LLM-powered applications where we predefine each step AI has to take to accomplish a task. Okay, so the goal for this series is really simple. We're going to use those patterns and build useful AI automations and at the same time learn the basic of LangGraph. So make sure to subscribe and grab the code companion and see you in the next video where we're going to use the prompt chaining pattern to build AI automations for any e-commerce platform that will help you create product descriptions based on images and other features that you already have on your platform.